How to fix Instagram not loading properly. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your Instagram if it is not loading properly. So recently there has been some issue and some glitch going on in the Instagram where people are not being able to see the DM button. So in that case all you have to do is just simply long press on the app itself, and after that just simply remove the app, and after that just go to your app store and just reinstall the application in your mobile device, and your Instagram should load properly afterwards. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just simply go to the search bar in the app store itself and just simply search for Instagram. And over here just check whether there is any update pending regarding your Instagram application or not. If there is any update, so for example you can see that my Instagram is asking for an update, just simply click on update and update the application, and your problem might fix sooner than you know. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to fix your Instagram not loading problem.